Hello everyone and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion.
A cooking show where my wife and I try to recreate my family recipes.
Nothing says summer quite like eating a slice of watermelon. So today we're going to be showing you an interesting twist on a traditional rasam recipe called Watermelon Rasam. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking! Add 2 cups of watermelon pieces into a blender. And blend it into a smooth puree.
Add 1 tablespoon of ghee to a kadai and heat it to medium. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, one teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 dried red chilies, half teaspoon of hing, and handful of curry leaves. Saute for a few minutes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute it for a few more minutes. Add your blended watermelon and mix well. Add 4 cups of water and the water from the lemon-sized ball of tamarind. Cook on medium-low flame for a few minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of jaggery, salt to taste, and 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Mix well. Optionally add 1 cup of coconut milk. Mix well again. Bring it to a boil and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and add 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder and a handful of coriander leaves.
So that about wraps it up. Thank you for watching our Watermelon Rasam video. As always, make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already, and we hope you enjoy this tasty summer treat as much as we do.